Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Kathleen Hart here from the Little Piece of Heart cooking blog. Today I am bringing to you another favorite of mine, my baby here. This is my Crockpot. We're gonna be doing a dump and go Crockpot soup, broccoli cheddar. How amazing does that sound? Comfortable clothes, nice cold fall day. It is November. I'm ready for some comfort food and some soup. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready. And the only kind of Crockpot meals that I will actually make are gonna be dump and go. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. It's gonna be a dump and go, so I'm just gonna show you as I dump and go. So I'm gonna give you the measurements and all the ingredients. Sit back and watch. I'm gonna link the recipe down below. It'll go back to my blog. Check out this recipe and tons of other recipes. So I hope you guys will subscribe if you like this video and you like recipes. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So let's get on into it. Let's dump and go for this Crockpot soup. Cook for a few hours just to get everything warmed through, to cook that broccoli, and then we're gonna add our cheese. So while that's cooking, let's talk cheese. I'm using about 4 cups of cheese today. I'm gonna be using a mixture of a mild cheddar and a really sharp cheddar. I think you should definitely do a mixture of the two, but it's completely up to you and your palate and what you like and what you have. You could also switch this up and try different cheeses. But as you can see, I've got about 3 cups to 1 cup. So once this is ready, I will show you guys exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add this in, we're gonna stir it up, and we'll take it from there.